Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sid with a tutorial on how to use the application called Quicktime Player, to use it to do movie recordings via your own camera, to do audio recordings, and even to do screen capture. And you can edit the clips within Quicktime Player itself. For at least my knowledge, okay, I could be wrong, but to at least my knowledge, this has not been popularized the way that I think it really should. So once you see this video, please share it, because this is a really cool feature, because it's free and so many people could use this instead of spending, if they don't need to spend money on screen capture stuff, editing programs or anything like that. You don't necessarily have to do it with Quicktime Player. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. So if we go up to File, we can do a new movie recording. And what it does is brings up my camera, and here's my beautiful face. And what we can do here is then hit record, right, to record a movie, just like you would bringing up anything else. But you want to make sure, by clicking this arrow, you want to make sure that everything's set the way you want it set, which microphone, which camera, if you have multiple cameras plugged in, and what quality you want it in. Remember that the lower the quality, the smaller the file. The higher the quality, the bigger the file. So we can do a recording, and I'm recording this, and we're talking, and we're talking, and we're talking, and when I'm done, I'm going to hit stop. Okay, and here's the video, right? There it is. It hasn't been exported, it's just a working file currently. Okay, now what we can do, I'm gonna not look weird, and what we can do is we can edit the video, right? We can rotate it, right? Which is kind of crazy, but we can, right? So let's undo that. We can rotate it, you can split it, okay, and you can add another clip to the end, which I'll do in a little bit here. You can also trim it, and when you trim it, basically what it does is it brings up this timeline, which you can, trim the clip or, do whatever you want from either end, and it will basically cut things out that you don't need. So that's really cool. And so all you gotta do is go File, Export, right? Sample clip to export, right? And it is exported, and it is right here. I did this one earlier so that we can do some things. So right now this is still a working project, it's not the actual video. We can add a clip to the end, right? So I'm going to take this one, choose this media file, and there is the sample clip, right? This is the clip I just recorded. Here's a sample clip, right? And I hit done. Right now it's 24 seconds long instead of 7 seconds long like it was before. Right, so that's how we can add clips to this video, and then just hit File, Export, and we have a video that is split, that is both of them put together. So that's pretty cool. Let this export for you, and then we'll show you the screen capture. I would tell a joke, but it's too quiet. Okay, cool. So let's close this. Don't need to save that. And so let's go to File, New Audio Recording, right? All you gotta do is choose which microphone, hit record, and it will start recording the audio. You can see my voice fluctuating right here, right now. Okay, so I don't need to go through that one. But you can also do a new screen recording. Okay, now you want to make sure that your microphone is selected, right? And choose the one that you want to use. Make sure this bar is here that's fluctuating so that it picks up your voice. You can also choose if you want to show mouse clicks on the recording or not, what quality, etc., etc. And then when you hit the record button, it can record the entire screen, which is default, or I can choose to record this much, and I hit start recording. Come on now, and we start recording, and yada yada yada. Here are the clips. Yada yada yada. Stop the recording, and there's the file. The nice thing is that it got rid of that one little bar there. Here are the clips. Yeah, so that's what the screen recording was, right? And then I just hit File, Export. I can add stuff to it, You can do everything you want. So I think this is really, really, really cool. I think people can use this. Hey guys, I wanted to splice this in here. I shot the video last night, the screen capture, and as I was editing it, I noticed that I said quite a few times that you can do pretty much anything with this. That's actually false. I don't want anybody to get any ideas that I'm saying that you can do anything. There's a lot of things that you can't do that you can do with a program such as Camtasia. But again, this is QuickTime. It's free. There are a lot of things that you can do with this free program. So I just wanted to throw this in here just to make sure that no one gets misled. You can't do absolutely everything that you want to do with QuickTime, but you can do a lot. And that's why I wanted to shoot this video, is because you can do a lot. So just throwing this in here. I think you can use this if you don't want to buy any program that does screen capture. If you're not happy with the built-in video recording on your system, if you're not happy with the audio recording on your system, if you don't have one, this is a free one, and I think it's really powerful. I think it should be a lot more popular than it is. So please share this video with your friends, family, and business owners that you know, business partners, and spread the word, because this can help a lot of people. And don't forget to connect with me, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more videos regarding tutorials and many other things.